What if I told you na ang pinakamahalagang investment na pwede mong gawin para sa pamilya mo is not your dream house. It's the land where you will build it. Dahil ang bahay, pwede mong iparenovate, pwede mong palakihin, pwede mong baguhin ang design, pero ang community, ang location at ang value ng lupa, hindi mo na mababago. Kaya samahan nyo ako ngayon dahil bibisitahin natin ang isa sa mga pinaka-premium communities dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, Solen Residences by Greenfield Development Corporation. Before tayo mag-start, I want to answer one important question. Why are so many people choosing Santa Rosa? Because when buying a real estate, you're not just buying a piece of land. You are investing in everything around it. The roads, the accessibility, the nearby schools, the hospitals, the business districts, and the most importantly, the future growth of the area. Santa Rosa has transformed over the years. What used to be known mainly as an industrial city has evolved into one of the fastest growing residential and business hub in Laguna. Today, you will find modern business parks, shopping centers, quality schools, hospitals, and master plan communities all within a short drive from one another. That's one of the reasons why many families, professionals, and even OFW choose to invest here. Accessibility is one of Santa Rosa's biggest advantage. From Santa Rosa, you are only minutes away from major expressway like SLEX and CALAX, making travel to Metro Manila, Cavite, and parts of Laguna much more convenient, whether you're commuting for work or heading out with your family on weekends. Getting around is simple and efficient. Everything you need for everyday living is already here. So instead of spending more time on the road, you get to spend more time with your family. And that's exactly what makes real estate valuable. It's never just about the lot. It's about the lifestyle, the community, and the opportunities that surround it. Because when an area continues to develop, property values often follows that growth over time. When you invest in a property, you are not only buying the lot itself, you are also investing in the vision behind the community. And that's exactly what makes Greenfield City different. Instead of developing just a single residential project, Greenfield created a master plan community where residential neighborhoods, commercial spaces, offices, lifestyle destination, and future development are designed to grow together. That means the community is not built only for today. It's planned with the future in mind. One thing you will immediately notice here is the space. The roads are wide, the surroundings are clean, there are mature trees, landscape trees, and plenty of open areas that make the entire community feel more relaxed. It's the kind of environment where people can enjoy walking, jogging, or spending time outdoors. You know guys, one of the things I personally appreciate about Greenfield City, yung hindi mo mararamdaman na overcrowded, everything feels organized. Even while driving around, you will notice how peaceful the surroundings are, and I think that's something many OFWs can truly appreciate. Most of our clients work hard abroad because they want to give their families a better life. Not just a bigger house, but a better environment to come home to. And choosing the right community is a big part of making that dream a reality. Maraming subdivision ang may magagandang entrance, pero hindi lahat nagbibigay ng magandang first impression. Dito sa Solen Residences, pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad ang difference. It's peaceful, it's spacious, and everything feels well planned. The moment you enter the community, you will immediately notice that this is not your typical subdivision. The entrance is clean, well-maintained, and beautifully landscaped. As we drive around, mapapansin mo agad ang wide roads and generous open space. Hindi siya masikip kaya kahit may kasalubong kang sasakyan, comfortable pa rin ang driving experience. Another thing I really appreciate is the amount of greenery throughout the community. The trees, landscape islands, and open spaces don't just make the village look beautiful. They create a more relaxing environment for everyone who lives here. Ito yung klase ng community na pag uwi mo galing trabaho, parang automatic kang nare-relax. One of the things that gives Solen Residences its premium feel. Everything feels organized, everything feels intentional. Hindi lang basta nagtanim ng puno. The open spaces were designed to make the community feel more breathable and more connected to the nature. And personally, I think that's something every homeowners can appreciate. I can honestly that Solen Residences is not trying to impress you with flashy design, instead focuses on what truly matters: a well-planned community, a peaceful environment, quality infrastructure, and a location that continues to grow year after year. Isa sa mga highlights ng Solen Residences is this beautiful clubhouse. This is where families celebrate birthdays, special occasion, and spend quality time together. It's also a place where neighbors get to know each other, making the community feel more connected. Because at the end of the day, a great community is not just about beautiful homes. It's also about experiences you create together. One of the standout amenities here in Solen Residences is this beautiful infinity pool. Imagine spending your weekends here with your family instead of driving 4 hours to a crowded resort. Sometimes the best getaway is not somewhere far away, it's right inside the community where you live. If you are into sport, the community also has a basketball court. It's a great place to stay active, bond with your neighbor, or simply enjoy a game during weekends. Available lot cuts range from 150 square meters up to 179 square meters. These lot sizes are ideal for families who want enough space to build a comfortable home with areas for a garden, parking, and future expansion. The current developer inventory prices are around 50,000 to 59,000 per square meter. Of course, pricing may vary depending on the location and availability of the lot. But what's important is understanding the value behind the property. Because when you invest in real estate, you are not only buying square meters, you're buying the location, you're buying the community, and you are investing in future possibilities. For our fellow Filipinos working abroad, we know that every investment comes from hard work and sacrifices. Every overtime, every long day away from your family, may dahilan lahat yun. And sometimes the best reward is knowing that you're building something for the people you love. If you are looking for a place where you can build your dream home or property that you can consider as a long-term investment, Solen Residences is definitely worth exploring. Because choosing a property is not just about where you are today, it's about where you want your future to be. After exploring Solen Residences, I hope this video gave you a better perspective of what this community has to offer. Because choosing a property is not just about finding a piece of land, it's about finding the right place where your future plans and dreams can grow. If you are interested to know more about Solen Residences, the available developer inventory, or if you want to schedule an actual site viewing, feel free to message me. I'll be happy to assist you in finding the right property that fits your needs and goals. Again, this is Bon Sitoy from GoRealty.ph, and I'll see you on the next property tour.